To change notification sound for appliance beeping alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under appliances and other section, tap appliance beeping. While the alert for appliance beeping notification is set to alert, tap sound. And then select the desired sound you like to use. Tap the back button. The notification sound for appliance beeping alert has been changed. By doing this, your phone will play the selected sound when sound notification feature is on and it detects an appliance beeping near you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.